Hey, what's up, y'all? Okay. Well, oh well. That last video though, talking to the Jeopardy contestants, Marsha and Nathaniel. I was challenging him into Street Fighter, NBA Jam, and all that. Okay. Some y'all. I know some of you probably don't listen to CDs. I still listen to CDs. Well, I want to tell y'all something. Cassette tapes blank, but me, I don't barely use cassette tapes like talking about it no more. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So those days is over with. I know it'd be frustrating when you have to fast forward a tape to go to the next song and all that. That sucks, right, y'all? That really sucks, y'all. That really, really sucked. Hmm. That movie Ghost is on. Well, I'm about to go watch it. It's on BBC channel, BBC America. So I might as well get out of here and go.